Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is obviously another weekly live, although it's not really a weekly live, it's a 3-day live. I will explain it in the next video. I don't want to talk about it now, but you guys are probably wondering where I am. I am actually in Tauranga for Armageddon Tauranga, and I'm really excited. We literally just got here. It's like 6:30. We got here like a quarter of an hour ago, and we are in the most crazy Airbnb. I'll show you the upstairs later because we're staying with a whole bunch of people and I don't really want to vlog everybody if I don't want to be vlogged, but let me show you the downstairs part at least because it's like crazy. So this is our little room, which we've already destroyed with our non-matching pillows and I ruined the throw. Anyway, that's that. And then there's another room in here. This is just the downstairs portion, but the light switches are in really weird places. But it's cute. And then there's like a little kitchenette. Corpo's in the bathroom right now. And then the incredibly steep stairs. And then in here there's like a little sitting area, but I'm not turning the lights on because look at this view. It's so pretty. You guys can't really see on camera how pretty it is. I'll put the, if I can find this Airbnb, I'll link it down below. But it's so pretty. Hello.
Dried my hands on the wrong towel.
What towel did you use?
It doesn't matter.
No, I used the same towel as you.
Which one?
Well, the blue one there.
Oh, thank God.
That's the one that I used. Anyway, this is the shower. And this is the corpo. Come back. Why are you going in there? It's not even our room. Don't dirty the beds. Oh my God. I was gonna poke your butthole and then you go ahead and do that.
It's my defense mechanism. We are just chilling for a little bit, then we're gonna try and sort out dinner. We just don't know if we're doing dinner all together because we're staying with the Omen crew because we're doing Omen stuff. Yep, this is a little bit harder than it needs to be. Don't. You are literally feral. Anyway, we're just waiting to see if they are gonna be having dinner soon, or we might just go and investigate because we're hungry. I haven't eaten since like 1. I lied, I had a snack on the road. I haven't eaten since 11 o'clock.
Well, that is bad. Can't even see you behind my pillow. There you go. Beautiful. You're so pretty.
Not as pretty as you. You're so skinny.
Oh, I'll take a massage. Is that it?
Yeah.
Thanks. My partner in crime for this weekend and every weekend.
I hope I'm every weekend. Your breath smells.
But yeah, I had like some woman's best protein chips on the way here.
I bet you're gonna cut that last bit out.
Nah, the people can know that I have stinky breath. I don't even care. And then, oh shit.
Oh, come on, man.
You gotta jump on. Jump on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Okay, it's okay, I got you. Hold on tight.
My butt is showing, man.
Oh. Okay.
God, this is disgusting.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Okay.
It's exhausting.
Oh, poor girl.
Oh, it's like the oxygen like left my body as it went down. Good morning guys, I completely forgot to end the vlog last night. We just went out to the supermarket to buy some like snacks and stuff for today, and we had curry for dinner and it was so good. If I can remember the place, I will tell you guys later, but it was delish. It was just on Uber Eats. I'm sure there's probably not that many Indian places in Tauranga that do Uber Eats, but oh, it was so delish. Let me tell you what it was. India today, and it was delish. So I just finished doing my makeup. I'm wearing the Huda Beauty, the little 9 palette. I think it's the Warm Obsessions, Smoky Obsessions, and then I've got a shimmery liquid eyeshadow from Urban Decay on top, and then my makeup is just like super basic because no matter what makeup I do, being so fair, I get washed out on camera anyway, so I just kept it simple, tried to look put together. I just need to brush my hair, but other than that I'm ready. I'm just wearing this little top from Kmart, and I'm wearing some like ponte pants with little leather panels, and of course my Omen jumper because it's warm and it's on brand. So yes, I don't know what else to say right now. We are about to go. Corby's just in the shower. I'm just watching some YouTube. We have to go to the expo, but this is the view from our Airbnb. So pretty. It's really, really fancy. Ooh la la. So we're here at Armageddon. A bit different to the other ones. It's just in one hall. This is Will. He's our friend, and it's white. My camera zoom is broken. Oh, it's working now. Okay. Never mind. False alarm. This is the setup. That's Corpo. What did you just do to me on Twitter? Do you want to just tell the people?
How did I just do to you?
What did you just do to me? Huh?
Well, I took a great photo of you guys when you weren't suspecting it, and I posted it on Twitter. And I mean, you could probably just post it, do like a little B-roll thing. Just put it up. It's nice. You're welcome. Let's call it, if you ever go on Twitch and Olivia ever makes like an emote, since she's now an affiliate, we can use that as your little emote.
This is what we see when we're sitting at the live stream. This is Ellie, by the way. I'll leave her linked off down below. I'll leave everybody linked off down below, but yeah.
Link me off down below.
No, because you posted that photo of me.
Link me off.
Link you off.
Just
trying to vlog with your profanities. Got pizza.
Olivia.
What? Shut the front door.
Chicken.
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 Yeah.
Chicken.
Get it in there, Craig. This is amazing. Look at how beautiful this is. I've got a drone flying. I'm gonna go show you guys that, but oh my gosh, look at this. I wish we were here for the actual sunset. Imagine how pretty that would have been. Is that the mount? It's a little mountain. I'm gonna assume it's the mount, right? Hello down there. Hello. Good morning guys, it's Sunday and I didn't just wake up, I just got up. I had a really average sleep last night. I kept waking up. For some reason, I don't know if you actually were, but I kept thinking that you were falling off the bed.
Nope.
Like so many times.
It's literally impossible to fall off this bed.
I know, it's bizarre. Like so many times I woke up and like grabbed him because I thought he was falling off the bed.
That kept waking me up.
Yeah, I don't know what was wrong with me. I was just having the most like disrupted sleep. But anyway, we were going to climb Mount, is it Manganui or is it Monganui? Anyway, we were going to go climb up the mount, but we like woke up. I woke up at like, we were going to go at 7:30. I woke up at like, well, I've been up for hours, but I went to go check and it was like raining, and now it's like not raining and it's beautiful. You need to have a look at the view when you go up because it's so pretty. And yeah, we don't have time now because we have to start getting ready for the show. It's like 10:45 or 10 to 9 and we have to be there at 8:30, so I'm gonna go. Did I say 8:30? I need to be there at 9:30, otherwise we'd be 15 minutes late. I think I'm gonna do like a copper glitter today because I bought my Colourpop glitter. By the way, my Colourpop stuff, my Gymshark stuff, and I bought some stuff from Kmart. The other two things arrived and I have my Kmart stuff. Do you guys want to see a haul? I haven't done like a good old school like sit down and hold stuff up haul in ages, so if you want to see that, let me know. Otherwise I'll just put it in the vlog, but I kind of wanted to do it separate. Because I'll pick that up either tonight when we get back to Auckland, depending on when we get home, or I'll get it tomorrow. But let me know if you want to see that. This is my dress of today. This used to be like skin tight and now it's got so much space to it, which I don't know how I feel about it, but who cares. This is so warm. I got it from Cotton On. And yeah, I'm gonna go get ready, and then I didn't really film that much yesterday at the expo because I was on for quite a bit, and then when I wasn't on I had like a really bad headache. I think it might have been from the lights and like just everything combined. But yeah, I had pizza yesterday, and then we had butter chicken for dinner, and Corbu had 2 steaks because I didn't want mine. It was great. So I think today what we're gonna do is we're gonna like go home straight from the expo, because obviously everybody else has to pack down the stuff at the expo. So we're probably just gonna go straight home. We're gonna go through Hamilton. This is the venue here. Got our little passes. Our little fancy passes. Where's your fancy pass? Oh yeah. That's what it looks like from the outside. We didn't get many donuts yesterday. And this is my makeup, by the way, before it like goes to absolute poopy. Hello. So we're just waiting. Oh, you can kind of see my makeup looks dreadful in here.
Yeah.
Whoa, my eyebrows are not filled in enough. Yikes. Oh dear. Oh man. Many regrets. So many regrets. Anyway. This is our morning while we're waiting.
No, you're a piece.
I wanted to show you guys, this is where the magic happens, what it looks like.
Against some harnesses and some top tier Counter-Strike teams globally. Even against
There's my boo-boo.
Yeah, there was some pretty solid matches. Greenhill Gaming, of course.
Very intimidating. We made it, we finished the weekend, we're in the car, ready for our drive, back home. I'm like really, really cold. Did you have a fun weekend though?
No, it was nice, it was really good. It was quite chill compared to other Armageddons that we work at, so it's good.
Been very relaxed.
Yeah, and the guys at Omen obviously like took care of us and made sure that we were okay. But now we're just gonna boost off home. But first we're gonna go to Hamilton.
Stop in Hamilton.
For about an hour or so.
Wait, look at how dead this EOS is.
EOS.
I'm like, I have to like mash my face in it. We've got chips. Haha.
Do you have some water?
No, I didn't take any.
Do you want some?
Nah, it's all good. We'll just get some. I have to go to the petrol station anyway. But anyway, we'll see you guys if anything exciting happens. There's no point me vlogging the whole trip, otherwise we'll be here all day. Oh my god, they're so good.
Yeah, these look great.
Those chips went through a phase when they were not flavoursome. They fixed that. Those are delish.
This might be a Tauranga exclusive.
Like an actually good bag. Anyway, see you guys later.